Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X60 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and now let's tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove all of them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it, and as you can see it immediately disappears. But if you've got this list so wide, then I highly recommend to just go at the very top of the list and tap on clear browsing data. Here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So let me mark everything. We can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you're ready, just tap on clear data. And as you can see, we just got back to the history, which is right now empty. So it means that we removed everything, starting from the list of websites and ending on, for example, autofill for data. So actually, this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your VIVO X60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.